hundreds of years of tradition in this country. If you want to come to Denmark and have food from a country that's been a nation for 1500 years, this is right, this is what they eat. Years ago, starting out in the Middle Ages, the herrings came in plentiful. The story is that you could just back your cart out into the water outside of Copenhagen and shovel the herrings on the cart. You didn't need a fishing. But can you find anything more tasteful?
No.
Let's snaps.
Let's snap. I'm gonna get up if I keep doing this.
For me, that's Denmark. That's Denmark right there. More Danish food.
More Danish food, traditional
Okay.
Danish food.
Skål!